I was looking forward to meet my friend, my former boss, and my older brother, President Uhuru Kenyatta. In fact, when I was told he was here, I was very excited. But the funeral took a bit longer, but I'm told he had to leave for some other function. I wanted to come and greet him because I've not seen him for a while, and tell him it is well. And tell him it is well. He is our son. He's our brother. We had some little disagreement. It is over. Elections are over. There's a new government, and he's our leader. And I knew nari kaitika gate. Daga jokede mwere munene tukwedete nitukuhoyagira na niwikite wega. Tondu kuma riu Uhuru ni wekiriire. Gwithie kule indo ciaku kahora. Riu okaga mathiko ta maya, okagateithia andu gathie hau angi. Uguo niguo muthamaki ekaga. Na koguo president witu Uhuru wa Kenyatta, president wa kana, ndegwire andu othe ndikae kuigua mundu gitaro giki uramucokeria. Kaora mutengura. Aheo gitio giake athie ahuruke. Na akorwo ni ndamukora ni ndingia mwira uguo tondu gutiri mundu wina uru nake kaundu kau twari nako no kaundu kanini. And you know, when you look at these things, myself, I stayed with President Uhuru Kenyatta for 18 years as his PA, as his confidant, as his defender. The years we stayed together as friends are 17. The ones we disagreed are 2. So, is there a problem? Wonogithi kugura indo haria latrini sukari wekiragwo mwena uyu na ihiga rigekirwo mwena uriku kugwithia kiro ni o ibata tugaga atiriri maria mega ri ni maingi gukira maria ki koguo maundu macio ni mathirire ithuothe we have moved on na ni kio gitaro gikia gatagati. I made a conscious decision. Aheshimiwa uyu wetagwo kanini kega twamwita kanini koru ni uri atutindikite nie ni ndetire ajumbe aitwa guku ngimera uyu mwana ni witu na mwana wa mucinda tega na teago tukiuga athurwo oke thirikari-ini.